In this tutorial, we're going to look at the RFA event model and its components. There are three layers in RFA event model: the application layer, the RFA session layer, and the data distribution server. When an RFA application wants to request some information, it sends a request message to request queue serviced by the RFA session layer. The RFA session layer, which runs in its own thread, reads this request and obtains the required information from the server. The server could be a component of the Thomson Reuters enterprise platform, such as the point-to-point server or ADS, Advanced Distribution Server. It could also be a direct exchange feed. When the session layer receives the request information, it posts these messages into the application's event queue. The application thread can then dispatch these messages to process the information. For detailed information on the RFA event model, please see the RFA Developer's Guide included in the Developer Kit. Now we will see how the event model is implemented in the RFA program. Same as the previous tutorial, we need to import additional RFA classes in starterconsumer.java. In the init method, after acquiring the session successfully, we create an event queue and the ONN consumer event source. We added a run method in starterconsumer to manage the main loop and to dispatch RFA events. For now, we created a runtime variable with hardcoded value of 3. The event dispatcher will attempt to dispatch every 1000 milliseconds, but since there's no event to dispatch at this moment, nothing will happen to the consumer. The main loop exits after 3 loops. Any RFA objects that we created or acquired, we should destroy, deactivate, or release them in the cleanup method before terminating the application. Finally, from the main function, call the run method. We can run the batch file without changing any arguments. As we can see, the dispatch message statements repeated 3 times because we hardcoded the value of runtime variable to 3. This concludes tutorial 4. Thank you.